Ustadh, what to do if children seem addicted to mobile phones, games and internet? This is a problem that we see with many of the youth. Don't bring it to your kids, these gadgets. Keep it away from them. Get rid of it. Unless, of course, those gadgets are used for them to memorize the Quran from, or it's used for that. Other than that, don't bring these gadgets. And this is my personal observation. I have seen, وَالْعِلْمُ عِنْدَ اللَّهِ, I have seen, and knowledge is with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, that many people who give their children these gadgets, they only do that because they can't really be bothered to spend quality time with their children. So they want to distract the child. And so they buy these gadgets to the child so they can play around and call and make phone calls and socialize with their friends, so they buy these gadgets. What they don't really understand is that the child becomes a child to these gadgets and not a child to you. And so 10 years goes by, your child doesn't know who you are. He knows these gadgets, he knows these TV shows and all of these things he's watched. And so when he talks to you, he's a totally different person than the child that you knew 10 years ago. And then that's when you wake up and you realize that your child is addicted to these gadgets. So in the beginning, don't bring it to your children unless they are gadgets used for them to memorize the Quran.